Okay, so the new fishing update, well, didn't come out, but it came out for lab rats. So the fishing lab has came out, and I'm gonna say I'm pretty geeked for this update. So yeah, let's get to it. Love fishing. Oh, whoa, okay, wait, actually, this is legit Sigma. Yo, this is. Nathan, oh my gosh, bro. Nathan, you got your green puffer fish. Oh, wait, this is... So how does this work? When does the fish appear? Oh my god. Wait, what did I get? Oh. It's little Timmy fish, bro. It's little Timmy fish. Blood. Oh, we got poopy puffer fish, bro. No way.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna go cook him.
Poopy.
Yep, that sounds messed up, but I'm gonna cook him.
No, don't cook. No, don't cook poopy puffer fish. No.
Oh, yo. Oh no. Oh my god.
No. Why
God.
would you do that?
I'm so messed up.
You
I'm so
monster.
sorry. Oh,
You know what?
no.
No.
No, you eating my fish, bro.
One
So
sec.
apparently there's
let me get
also...
out of
fish. Oh, what did I get? What did I get? Oh, yo. No. There's gotta be sharks down here. Yo. Oh my god. Orange thick jaw. Oh my god, I caught a toilet seat. No way. Ace, you want my toilet seat? Here you go, have my toilet seat. Oh my god! Yo. 43.84 FLS? Wait, let me read that again. Hold up. Holy. Yo, I'm catching too many fish.
No, you think you caught too many fish? Don't look at all these.
Okay.